Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Once again, I'm here on behalf of Griffin Publication. Heartiest congratulations, Adya, and I welcome you here today. First of all, my heartfelt thanks to all the esteemed guests present here. I know I have bothered you all. Barbara ma'am early in the morning, she wakes up and shows her, gorgeous, uh, you know, pretty face and her smile, always motivating and encouraging. Vishnu Pandya sir, I know you're very busy. Still, I pull him out always, all right, whenever I get time. Suresh sir, thank you so much. And Sujata ma'am, I know you are also busy. And Swapna ma'am, thank you so much. You are again, you disappeared, but we will wait for you. You are adjusting, I know. But let us start today because we are going to launch a beautiful book. And I'll tell about the book. Adya will explain in a better way. So here is our author today, Adya Das. We are here to launch her book, Starlight Dreams and Twilight Tales. Let me tell you, within 24 hours, it reached, best-selling rank 1 on Amazon. So this is a very good news for our young author and for us as a publishing house. So Adya is 12-year-old student from Army Public School, Udhampur. She has always been inclined towards literature, stories, fictions, and fantasies. She is a vibrant dreamer with boundless imagination. She weaves magical worlds and daring adventures, blending whimsy with innocence. Her stories reflect her unique perspective and youthful creativity, captivating readers with the charm and magic of her otherworldly vision. She wishes to become an author as she grows up. This is her debut book in her journey as an author. So I won't tell much about this book because we have our author here. Why should I speak about what the book is about? But we must know who, like, are present here, who are gracing the event today as blessings to our young author Adya Das. And I also welcome the entire family, parents who have put all effort in motivating Adya Das. Congratulations to her parents and her entire family. I hope they are present here watching this. I hope they will participate. But my wishes are always there. सबसे पहले, first, Dr. Vishnu Pandya sir, I must thank you because you are such a senior writer for us. You are a blessings. You are a guru to me, a guru to all of us. Sir is Padma Shri, so I always call him Padma Shri Guru Mitra, Guru Vishnu sir. So he was awarded by in government in the year 2017. He was an educationist of Gujarat University, and also he was the chairman of Gujarat Sahitya Academy. Let me tell you, he has written 153 books. So it's again on 154 because I have published one of his poetry books. He is a political analyst. We get to see him on television channels. He is there to discuss on politics. He is a very popular columnist. You can read him in Gujarat newspapers, in the national newspapers, and he is still like guest faculty to many universities or colleges of journalism. Thank you so much, sir, because the list is endless. There is no end when I go to speak about you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया sir. आज आप यहाँ पे आए हमारे बीच में. So I think my author will really feel motivated today. We have Swapna Behra ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. You have taken out time. It's very, very difficult to catch Swapna ma'am. She's into so many things. Swapna ma'am is a trilingual contemporary poet, author, translator, reviewer, eco-activist, peace activist, and editor from Odisha, India, who writes in Odia, English, and Hindi. She is a retired Kendra Vidyalaya teacher and has spent total 9 books. At present, she is the cultural ambassador for India and Southeast Asia of Inner Child Press US. She is the life member and executive member of Odisha Environment Society as well. She is the recipient of prestigious 2024's Nazi Naman Award from Lebanon, whose stories, poems, and articles are widely published in national and international journals, editions, and are translated into different languages. She is the recipient of many national and international awards, including the prestigious International Mother Language Ugadi Award winner 2019, International Poesis Award of Honor as honor as jury at the second Bharat Award for Literature 2015, Pentasi B World Fellow Poet in 2017. Her list is endless. She is an Indian poet who has been awarded by Seychelles government and Kazakhstan, Peru, Morocco, Algeria. She is also honored by Gujarat Sahitya Academy twice. Her poem, A Night in the Refugee Camp, is translated into 68 languages. She is the recipient of Gold Rose Award from MS Production Argentina for her contribution and solidarity for global peace and culture. Thank you so much, Swapna ma'am. You could make it to her event today. And actually, I'm feeling motivated. We have Barbara Anthro ma'am from the US. Thank you so much. Every event, I knock her door, I knock her window, ma'am, early morning, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9:30. She's there, bright. I never see her that she's sleepy, although it's so early there. So, Barbara ma'am, a young adult novel, If I Could Be Like Jennifer Taylor, is very, very popular. It is recently published. She has written an award-winning screenplay, The Kiss, and her scripts are also awarded and screenplay there in the US, and an award-winning poetry book, You Will Probably Forget Me, Living with the Without Hall. She is again in numerous international anthologies, including The Guardians of the Quill Volume 2 and the Writing on the Wall magazines Volumes 1, 2, and 3. And she has appeared in several Wildfire magazines. She is an American, but awarded by Indian government, Gujarat Sahitya Academy, and motivational strips in the year 2020, 21, 22, and the Rabindranath Tagore Memorial Award from Sipai Magazine, motivational strips, and the Seychelles government for 2022, and several other international awards for her writing. Again, ma'am's list is endless. She is also awarded by Malaysian International Poetry Contest. She has won there. And she is a regional director for motivational strips. She is also a radio host, hosting shows of books and entertainment, Tales from the Pages, and is a member of Greenwich Pen Women Letters, where she has founded a poetry group. Her expertise in editing comes from years of working for professional publishers, and many books of hers have won awards. And recently, a short story she edited won the Press Club Award. Barbara ma'am, your list is endless. I'm putting an end here. Thank you so much for being here today. We have with us Dr. Suresh Kumar. Again, he's very, very busy, moving from one place to another. Born and brought up in Jammu and Kashmir, India, Dr. Suresh Kumar is presently working as Assistant Professor, Department of Buddhist Studies, Nava Nalanda Mahavir Hara. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, sir. Nalanda. Earlier, he served as Assistant Director Research in Indian Council of Historical Research, an autonomous organization under Ministry of Education, Government of India. He had also been nominated as a member of State Advisory Board of the Development of Pahari-speaking People by the Government of Jammu and Kashmir 2014-18. In his academic endeavor, he has attended and presented papers in more than 69 national and international seminars, conferences in India and abroad, and so far has the credit of publishing one book entitled Buddhist Ethics, Relevance and Impact on Contemporary Society, and 25 research papers in the journals of international repute. He has also in his credit the skill of organizing more than 50 seminars, conferences, workshops, camps of national and international level. He has done his PhD and master's degree in Buddhist studies from University of Jammu and Kashmir, India. Dr. Suresh is associated with many academic and social organizations. He is well known for his writing, speeches on contemporary issue. He has good experience in the field of research, administration, teaching, and journalism. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. We have again a very vibrant, active author poet with us and an educationist, Sujata Paul. She is a trilingual poetess come author, born in Kolkata. By profession, she is an educationist teacher, but writing is her passion, and she's known for her verses all over the world. All right, she has authored 3 books of poems named Whisper of My Soul and Sarang in English and Astitva in Bengali. Her creative writings are witnessed by the special anthologies like Tranquil Muse, Spilling Essences, Vasudha Queen, The Spirit of India, Sipai, The Name is Not Woman, Florets of Fancy, My Tears, Petals of Peace, Great Women of India, and many, many, many more. I'm just ending it because the list is again endless. Her poetries, articles, stories again have been published in different national and international journals and anthologies. Her verses are translated into Polish, Hindi, French, Bengali, Albanian, and many other languages. She has again been conferred with the Sahitya Akademi Award, Gujarat Sahitya Akademi Award, in collaboration with Motivation Strips, and that's the world's largest literary group. She has also been awarded the Literoma Nari Samman Award by the Spirit of Mania. She was also the recipient of the Literary Excellence Award by Suryodaya Literary Foundation in 2020. She has been awarded the Honor Order of Shakespeare Medal in 2021. She is also the founder of Creative Tripura, a literary platform and a talk show host too. I hope my young author will also find some space in your talk shows, ma'am. She is the moderator of Motivational Strips and feels proud to be a part of the largest literary group. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm overwhelmed today. I'm so happy that we have such eminent personalities among us today. So, beginning with our young author, Adya, how are you feeling today? Before we go, our guest will speak, but you have to tell something about yourself today. How are you feeling today? And, what is your book about? Please tell our guest so that they can also contribute and they can say one by one. Yes, Adya, all over to you. Please unmute yourself.
I feel good and I'm thankful that you all have taken out time to attend my book launch. My book is a collection of short stories which are all of the same genre, fantasy. Each story has a diverse storyline to it and all of them are open ended, so you can imagine your own ending to the stories. Most of my stories revolve around fantasy or different realms, which make them more engaging to read.
Right. Thank you so much, Adya. Vishnu sir, एक छोटी सी नन्ही सी ऑथर है ना, यंग ऑथर, एंड उनकी जो किताब थी फर्स्ट 24 आवर्स में ही बेस्ट सेलिंग रैंक 1, एंड वी वर सो ओवरवेल्म्ड, एंड बिलीव मी सर 2-3 दिन तक बेस्ट सेलिंग रैंक 1 में थी, एंड वी वर वेरी वेरी लाइक एक्साइटेड, अ बुक बाय सच अ यंग ऑथर एंड अमेज़न बेस्ट सेलिंग रैंक 1. सो आप कैसे आज हमारी जो यंग ऑथर है आद्या दास को मोटिवेट करेंगे, क्योंकि आजकल के बच्चे आपको पता है जहां मोबाइल और गैजेट्स में लगे हुए हैं, हमारी ये यंग ऑथर जो है पेन के साथ बिजी है. सर अनम्यूट कीजिए, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए सर.
हाँ, हो गया
जी सर.
हाँ, नमस्कार. सबसे पहले तो आद्या को मैं बहुत 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 ब्लेसिंग और खुशियां देता हूँ. कारण क्या है कि ये 12 साल की लड़की, इसके दिमाग में इतना एक फैंटेसी के साथ कुछ न कुछ आता रहता है. अब मैं बार बार कहा करता हूँ कि लेखन इज अ मिरेकल. लिखना आसान नहीं. अपने मन से, अपने तन से, अपने दिमाग से, अपने हृदय से, अपने आसपास की जिंदगी से जब हम लिखना शुरू करते हैं तो अपने आप के साथ वो एक डायलॉग बना रहता है. और ये कुछ ही लेखकों को, कुछ ही क्रिएटरों को, कुछ ही क्रिएटिविटी के साथ जुड़े हुए लोगों को ये प्राप्त होता है. उनमें से एक आद्या है. और आज तो मैं दोनों को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा. उनकी पब्लिशर हमारी गुरु मित्र की मित्रा मौसमी और आद्या, क्योंकि आजकल अच्छे पब्लिशर मिलना भी बहुत मुश्किल है. अच्छा पब्लिशर मिले और वो प्रकाशित करें. गुजरात की स्थिति अलग है, मैं गुजरात के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं कहूंगा, लेकिन पूरे देश में अच्छे प्रकाशक, अच्छे पब्लिशर के होना चाहिए. और अच्छे पब्लिशर उनको ही मैं बताऊं कि वो घिसे पीटे नामों के बजाय नए लोगों को भी उत्साह है. जब हम साहित्य अकादमी में थे तब हमारे मोटिवेशनल के मिस्टर सिज्जू, उन्होंने मिलकर हमें सोचा था कि पूरी दुनिया के 60% जो परमानेंट कुछ लिखते हैं, अच्छा लिटरेचर करते हैं, उनको हमारी ओर से 15 अगस्त इंडिपेंडेंस डे को सम्मान दिया जाए. तो ये आपने अभी जो कुछ निर्देश दिया, हमारी सुजाता जी है, बारबरा जी है, स्वप्ना जी भी है, सभी को ये पारितोषिक मिला है. शायद आपको भी मिला होगा, मुझे याद नहीं है, लेकिन अब मिलेंगे कभी भी. तो एक प्रकार से मुझे लगता है कि ये कहानी, उन्होंने शॉर्ट स्टोरी लिखी है आद्या, तो शॉर्ट स्टोरी का मतलब है कहानी, और कहानी हमारे आदिकाल से जुड़ी हुई है। आप महाभारत को कहें या रामायण को कहे या पंचतंत्र को कहे, किसी न किसी प्रकार उनका कहना, कथना और कहानी। और हमारी दादी माँ से जब हम बच्चे थे, रोते थे, तो चांदा मामा को बताते थे और चंदा मामा की कहानी कहते थे। फिल्मी गीत तो भी है चंदा मामा के बहुत से। तो ये हमारे साथ जिंदगी के साथ जुड़ी हुई बातें हैं। आद्या ने बहुत अच्छा लिखा होगा, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ, क्योंकि अच्छा पब्लिशर ही उनका किया है उन्होंने। तो जब किताब मिलेगी और भी हम लिखेंगे, और हमारी जो कॉलम्स आती हैं गुजराती में है शायद, लेकिन हिंदी में भी होती है, तो उनमें भी लिखेंगे। लेकिन मैं आपको बहुत 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 दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बातें चलती रहेगी। आद्या, you have kept the title of your book as Starlight Dreams and Twilight Tales. Can you throw some light on this title? Like आपने क्या सोचा? What did you think like when you know uh, thought that the title of the book should be Starlight Dreams and Twilight Tales?
Starlight Dreams and Twilight Tales was not a title suggested only by me. It was a combined effort between me, my mother, and my father. We chose a name which would attract readers to read the book and also a name that would indicate a collection of short stories indirectly.
Okay, great, Adya. We have, an eminent personality with us, Swapna Behra ma'am. She is mostly engaged with young authors. Actually, if you find her in the schools, motivating children to write, motivating children to speak for environment and all, work for environment and all. So, ma'am, when we see today a young author and the title of the book Starlight Dreams and Twilight Tales, how will you motivate our, author today? You just have to unmute. So this is what, like, we are all getting used to technical things, and we have very, very senior writers, poets, and, educationists with us. Gradually, everybody is coming on because we are, experimenting new things, how we are, uniting the entire world on one platform. So sometimes glitches happen. Ma'am, you just see if there is the micro. Right. Ma'am, unmute yourself. Adya, like when you started this writing journey and all, what did you think? Like, can you share with us your writing journey and how did you feel? Like, how did you plan, or what made you think that you can become a published author, and what pushed you, what motivated you? Like, share your writing journey with us. Till then, Swapna ma'am will. Swapna ma'am, now you do not unmute yourself when you do not mute yourself when you unmute. So we are waiting for you. Yes, Adya, can you share your writing journey with all of us?
Oh my God.
Yes, Swapna ma'am is here. So I won't miss her now. Yes, Swapna ma'am.
Let Adya speak first, then I will say. Okay?
Yes,
Because
yes, Adya. Share your journey, writing journey with us.
I want to listen from her.
Yeah, Adya.
Adya, please.
I started reading storybooks by myself in first grade, and by second, I had started reading novellas and novels. I always enjoyed reading books more than anything else, and I kept on making stories of my own inspired by those books. After some time, as my imagination grew, I started coming up with stories of my own, which I told my parents and other relatives. My desire to be an author had emerged ever since I picked up my first novel, and after that, my creativity knew no bounds.
Right, very nice. Yes, Swapna ma'am. Creativity, writing as her passion. You will better, say today.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Thank God. First of all, I would like to congratulate Adya. Adya, this is for you.
Wow.
A young dynamic author. I was surprised to see the book cover, and then apparently Molsumi ji, she sent me the pages and all that. I couldn't believe it that a 12-year-old girl has written it repeatedly. I went through the information given by your publisher. Is she a 12-year-old girl? Then I went through your paper clippings, because you are the bestseller and the paper clipping, I read it thoroughly. Whatever pages I got, I went through it. Being a retired Kendriya Vidyalaya teacher, I have encountered some very good creative students, but never I have seen the creativity that is within you. That I have never encountered. Why? Number one, the technique that you have adopted. I have never seen such type of techniques. Number two, the way your imagination flies. Perhaps you are trying to reach to a fantasy world that I can never reach. I am 70 years old. So the fantasy that you have served in your plate, it was fabulous. Number three, some of the words that you have used, I was stunned. You wrote, myself a history and science geek. My God, from where you have brought these two combo words, history and science geek. Then again, the blackberry scented poison, the metaphors, the color that you have used. Then again, it has multi layers. A 12-year-old girl can imagine such multi layers. That is really very much surprising. Then again, at the end of the book cover, you have given a statement. Is this your ending or my second project? I will go to the second option, your second project. Okay, not my ending, not at all my ending, but your second project is most welcome, because you are a very, very prolific writer. I can see that you have dreams, you have imagination, you have the plans, you have structures in your mind. Then again, you have got 15 stories. Out of that, again, you have divided it very chronologically. You have divided it. The Adventures of Star, that is 15. That comes 15 chapters are included there, and Controller of Light herself. That is also a very unique story, and you have given the name Tamas. My God, this is writing about Tamas, that I cannot believe. Are you a philosopher? Are you a story writer? Are you a student? Or are you a guide and mentor of mine? So all my best wishes, darling. So keep on writing. And here is a reader sitting. Again, my rose is for you. Okay?
Such a wonderful experience here, listening to all renowned authors, poets and all. So Adya, like can you tell us your publishing process? Because when we were authors, when we are young, and when we were authors, it was very difficult for us to find a good publishing house, to get actually support from the publishing house. Because my publishing house, it's a later stage when I became an author, before my publishing house actually came into being. So I know how young authors, budding authors, or newcomers, even experienced authors, they find actually difficult to find a platform to promote the book, to publish the book. It is actually still many are struggling. So can you tell us your publishing process, or where did you find, like, you can also speak the negative, you can also criticize, because that will also help us to improve where we couldn't do it. So if your parents also today want to contribute today and speak something on this, because I think they will know better, or you will know better. I do not know, but tell me something about the publishing process and what more actually you expected from us.
My journey towards publishing the book started through author coaching classes in which I was mentored by Mosami ma'am. Through her guidance, I came up with multiple story ideas and finally could wrap up the manuscript timely. Once it was submitted for publishing to Griffin Publications, A team of professionals efficiently took care of the editing and designing to our satisfaction. After proofreading, the book was sent for printing, and within a few days, it was up on Amazon for sale. The entire process was so smooth that it was almost magical. My parents and I are thankful to Griffin Publications and Mosami ma'am.
Thank you so much. So again, I'm waiting more to know what more actually we can do for the young authors. Barbara ma'am is here with us today. She is again a wonderful poet, on wonderful author, and we keep on watching her talk shows on books and entertainment. Ma'am, you are still writing, you are still publishing your book. We are actually we get motivated by you. How will you motivate our little author today? And what do you think, ma'am, the publishing process and all, how difficult it is today? And do we actually get the support from the publishing houses as we expect?
Okay, well, thank you very much, Mosami, for inviting me. And her name is
Adya Das. Adya.
Anja. I am mesmerized by your story. I taught a lot of children your age. I never saw this kind of creativity or ability to write. Your sentences are so clear. Your paragraphs are so good. Your character development was very, very good for your age. And the plot was amazing for almost all of these. I couldn't read all of them, but I did read the first story and I really was interested in it. I really wanted to know more. I kept thinking, why did she leave us like this? Why don't we find out what it's like? And so now I realize that all of your stories are open-ended. And I find it amazing that a 12-year-old girl can have such an ability to write such coherent stories. So I commend you on them. I think you should keep on writing. And as Mosami said, I have been writing for a while. I have one book for young adults, which I think you'd love to read. It's not it's not fantasy, it's realistic. But I have another book coming out in the series called Who is Jennifer Taylor? But I just think as an author that if you find an idea that you should keep on with it. And you're not, I guess, ready to write a novel, but I think you have the ability to write a novel. Your characters are really well developed. And as an older person, I really enjoyed reading your book, and I see why it's #1, because your illustrations are just so beautiful. I don't know who did them, if you did them, or if Mosami had an illustrator. I know I saw the end illustrations, they were beautiful. I think the ability to both write and illustrate is a gift. So if you have that, that's wonderful. I hope you'll continue to write more stories. I'm looking forward to your, new book, if you have one. And I wish you so much luck in your future writing. Now, as far as my publishing career happened, I waited a long time to get my book published. It took me, oh God, 7 years to find a book publisher, and then it was published by a traditional publisher, and then she put it into first it was an ebook, then she put it into a published paperback, and then in 2019 this publisher went out of business. So I had a problem because she sent me back my manuscripts, which was nice because my manuscripts were copyrighted and I didn't have to worry that they were going to be taken by anybody. So I took my first manuscript, If I Could Be Like Jennifer Taylor, and I went to KDP. I should have gone to Mosami, and she and I should have a conversation about the second book. But I didn't want my book to sit there and not be read by children and the adults like it too. So I was very thrilled to have it republished. So if ever anything happens to your book, I don't think Masami will ever go out of business, but if she does, there's always the idea of being able to publish it yourself. And I wish you all the luck in the coming year for this book. I hope that you'll be going to different bookstores and classrooms and reading parts of it to people, because it just has so much to say. And I haven't read it all, but I think it has a lot to say to children. And well done. All I can say is well done, well done. Really great.
Thank you
great,
so
great.
much, Butter Ma'am, for your inspiring words. I hope Adya is motivated today. We have with us Dr. Suresh Kumar, sir. I remember I had invited you to launch one of our books in the Delhi International World Book Fair. And there I saw you how you analyze books and all, and you are into so many things, research and all. How will you motivate, or what suggestions would you love to give to a young author today, Adya?
First of all, good evening to one and all. And at the very outset, congratulations to you, ma'am, for providing guidance and a platform in form of Griffin publication to this young budding mind of our society. And by arranging today's ceremony where she is interacting with such wonderful scholars. And I think this ceremony will help for her future works. So Adya, while briefly going through your imagination in the form of this book, I really salute you for presenting such a masterpiece work. Mosmi ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Adya's achievement reminds me that age is never a barrier to creativity. जनरली क्या होता है कि हम लोग जो लिटरेचर है, जो साहित्य है, उसको एक्सपीरियंस और मैच्योरिटी के साथ जोड़ते हैं. बट टुडे शी हैज प्रूवन अ वेरी फ्रेश पर्सपेक्टिव. आद्या, your talent, your creativity, and your dedication is truly inspiring. You have not only written a book, but you have also sparked imagination and wonder in your readers. So keep dreaming, keep writing, and keep inspiring, and be in touch with Mosmi ma'am. So my best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir. We'll keep in touch with you definitely. More analysis, more reviews. I would also wish that you write a review on Adya's book. We'll be waiting for that. We have with us again a very talented. I do not know, should I term her an educationist, author, poetess, or radio host, because getting a space on her shows actually, it brings us, or it connects us to the entire world. Sujata ma'am, today you are here. Thank you so much, ma'am. How will you motivate our young author today, and what suggestions do you have today?
Thank you, Maushami. First of all, I would like to congratulate our sweet, cute Adya, our budding author, rising star, for sharing her talent at this tender age. And of course, I would also like to thank the publisher who has brought out this talent before the world. And at the outset, respected our chief guest, Vishnu Pandya sir, regards to you, sir. Padma Shri Vishnu Pandya sir, then Sapna Behera ma'am, and famous, well-known educationist and environmentalist as well. Then Barbara Andrew ma'am from USA, a well-known radio host, poet, and author as well. And Dr. Suresh Kumar sir, thank you, sir, for Maushami. We have come contact with you too, a professor, Department of Buddhist Studies. Thank you once again. Now, I would Moushami has said earlier that perhaps she is one of the youngest achiever in her publication too, I hope. Actually, in my show, that is in my talk show, one participant, one author, that is, she was also a budding author. She was from Mumbai. She came with her wonderful creations, but she was 13. And regarding this, I must say, you must be the youngest one. So I just wonder that at this tender age, how this kind of fantasies and horror, balance of ancient time with modern times, all these things came to your mind. Because we know that this, nowadays, all the teenagers, even all the kids, if we go to any ceremony, any kind of program, we just watch them playing with video games or any gadget, anyone from 3 to 90. At this stage, our sweet author Adya already published a fantasies of series, short stories. This is really hats off to you, and what to say, hats off to your parents too, who have motivated you to go in this way. Because I am also a teacher, I also encounter so many young minds, creative minds, and so many students in my institution. Whenever I watch, whenever I experience that these kind of creative minds around us, we also feel proud seeing them. So I, due to lack of time, I could not go through, sorry, all your stories. But as long as I have gone through your stories, I have noticed that you have wonderfully panned the balance between the ancient time and modern times. And your that story, Chacha Satan, at this recent time, really superb. And to get connected with the mystical beings, and you have also get identical with the blue eyes. What to say? Fabulous, just fabulous. I just want to say that if this kind of creativity just you keep on in your writing, one day your creations will be a masterpiece, and everybody will praise you. And the way you have shared your talents is really praiseworthy.
Thank you
And
so much, ma'am.
yes.
Yes,
And
yes, ma'am.
once I would also like to uh, request Adya to come to my show and motivate all the millions minds, million young minds by exploring your creation. All the very best, dear Adya, and may you shine in every sphere of your life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Swapna. Ma'am, you had something to say. I just had the feeling that you wanted to share something because the story Cha Cha Saturn, I do not know, you had something in your mind to say?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yep,
I
yes,
just
ma'am.
saw your hand. I thought
Yeah,
you want.
I just wanted to talk to Adya. Several questions are just coming to my mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Dear Adya, when the fantasies you are giving a concrete shape, first it will be in a very dormant stage. Then you have developed it. Creativity is not all about imagination. It takes also step by step. Can you please tell us how do you form a story? Because you have given the option there, open endings. You have given you are a democratic, you have the democratic approach. Okay, that I appreciate. How do you form your stories or fantasies? Can you please tell me? And the headings, the title at the first, you plan the title first, or at the end you give the title? Would you please tell me?
I like to imagine and form the stories in my mind first and then give them the titles. I get inspired by many different things, such as other books, people, and my own adventures.
Mhm.
So, using that, I try to bring them to the pen.
Very good, very good.
So
Very good.
imagination works so high, and I think everything she experiences around, maybe her adventures, maybe the people she like meets in her day-to-day life, she tries to knit all those and present them in the stories. Because when I was talking to her in the like when she shared her stories, like she had lot many ideas, this character, that character. And then at last, the challenging part is how you are knitting everything and the continuation. So that is very, very important, and not letting the interest go away from your stories. So Adya, like as Sujata ma'am mentioned, Chacha Satin. Can you just read 3-4 lines from that chapter or any chapter, your favorite chapter? Just 3-4 lines.
Yes, ma'am. Um, Ma'am, story 5 and chapter 11, the last few lines,
Okay.
page 81.
Okay.
Our tears couldn't come to cease as we saw Maya Camille being engulfed by the black mist, and as the mist evaporated in thin air, we shivered in fear. It was the last time we had ever seen Maya, the savior of the worlds, the chain which linked us together, and most importantly, my friend.
Thank you, Aja. So, with this, last paragraph, we can see how, fear, imagination, adventure, and the doubt, what next? She has very beautifully, penned all these things. Adya, before we launch, formally launch the book, can you tell all of us what about the next? Can you give us, would you love to give us some hint? Are you planning to publish your next book, or, planning to write? Any hint to our readers today?
I'm actually planning to write all of the stories as separate books of their own and maybe even some more. All of them are open ended because I'm planning to make them as the first chapter of whatever book they will develop into.
And can you all see the screen today? Is the screen visible? No? Okay, let me. So it's time we formally launch Adya's beautiful book. The cover page, I personally love.
It's wonderful.
Cover is beautiful.
Yeah,
बहुत
it's beautiful.
Can,
बढ़िया.
is that wait, let me.
Cover is just, the
That's
cover
beautiful.
brings you into the story.
It's okay. It's wonderful
Twilight.
and very
Very
beautiful
good.
presentation.
So here we formally launch, after it has already, achieved rank 1, Amazon rank 1, and heartiest congratulations. Can we all clap for Adya Starlight Dreams and Twilight Tales? It is available globally on Amazon. It is available everywhere. Kindly go through the stories of this young mind, and thank you so much, Swapna ma'am. This I wanted. All right.
This is for you.
This is an important, yes. So, Adya, can you just hold your book in your hand so that we can take a click?
Yes, that will be better.
Can I see you, Adya? Yes. So we also have, we have a young journalist with us today. Do you know we have Sonu, so he is also attending. And Adya, heartiest congratulations once again.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
would also, love to, thank your parents. Let me see something. Stop share. Okay. So thank you so much for being here, all of you. We wanted more and more discussion, but technical glitch or whatever you may say, everybody's, and today is Saturday, New Zealand and India match is going on, and our readers are on live. They are watching us, and they're also, yes, we have Barbara ma'am with us. Barbara ma'am, yes, I would love to hear you.
I would
Yes,
like
tell
to,
me.
I would like to invite Andya to be a guest on my blog. I don't have my radio show anymore, but I do have a blog, and I have invited guest authors to my blog, and I would love to have you on my blog. So we will talk. Let your parents allow me to communicate with you, and we will do it through Musami. Okay?
Sure,
I'm
sure.
really
Adya, you
impressed
should
by
be
you.
really happy, the Barbara ma'am inviting you to her show. She has almost, it's very, you are fortunate enough that, Barbara ma'am would be hosting and would be talking to you, about your book. Anybody from your family who would like to say anything today? Anybody before, we sign out?
Ma'am, my parents might have something to say.
Yes, we are just waiting because it's a wonderful moment, and parents' effort. I can see throughout the publishing process, I can see her mother's and father's effort, when and how and motivating the young author. Yes, this backbone. Yes, Adya, we are waiting for your parents. Thank you, Amitji.
Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Ipsa Patnaik. I am Adya's mother. And I am really, really thankful to all of you for sparing time out and launch her book. And thank you so much, Mosmi ma'am, for giving her this platform. And I'm extremely thankful to Padma Shri Vishnu Pandya sir, Barbara Erentru, Mrs. Swapna Behra, I think Sonu Kumar ji, आपको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Or Mrs. Sujata Paul, thank you so much for, I would say, showering your blessings also on our daughter. And I really, Miss Barbara, I am really, really thankful for you to invite her to your blog. And also, Mrs. Sujata Paul, thank you so much. You have invited her to your show also. And really, we are overwhelmed by the support that you all have actually shown. Thank you so much.
Yes, anybody else from your family? Yes, Adya?
I think my sister would like to speak. My Adya's aunt, my sister
Yes.
would also like to speak a few words. I'll just request her to switch on her microphone. Just a second, she'll just join in. She got disconnected actually.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please switch on your camera so that we can see you, Adya's mother? It will be our joy to see you.
Yes, still, we'll wait for, Adya's aunt. Vishnu, sir.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. Yes.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are.
Yeah, this is Adya's aunt, and I just can say that I'm just so proud, as you said, Maushmi, earlier also, in this age when kids are so busy with just looking at a screen and all the time going through YouTube, and they have so many ways of just having fun. It is amazing that not only is she creative, but she has made the effort to put that her thoughts on a paper, write it down and make it into stories. And I am just amazed with what this girl has achieved. And frankly, I would say that this is not something that is new. She has been doing that, and we have been enthralled with her stories, even when she was younger than what she is today. She was recently here, and even after she published her book, I know that I made her write something, and she just thought of something and wrote a beautiful story. So I'm sure that she's going to do amazingly well. And she's extremely creative, and she is the apple of her eyes right now. So wishing her all the best forever.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, we'll just go through our eminent guest today because so many things to discuss, so many things to talk. But yes, time. Vishnu sir, जाने के लिए देने के लिए मन नहीं करता क्योंकि आपकी बातें सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलती है आपकी बातों से. आप एक वेटरन जर्नलिस्ट रहे हैं कितने साल और देश के लिए आपने बहुत कुछ किया है. ये एक अलग कहानी है, कभी लिखेंगे आपके बारे में. आज आप जाने से पहले क्या बोलेंगे आज कुछ इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में, आद्या के बारे में, पेरेंट्स के बारे में, उसकी पुस्तक के बारे में?
Adya, we are very proud of you. Go ahead. And आपका जो पब्लिकेशन है वो बहुत बढ़िया है. मुझे तो उसका अनुभव है. मेरी किताब भी आपने छापी है, तो अगेन भी छापेंगे ऐसा मैं सोचता हूँ. एक बात, जो जब 12 साल की या 13 साल की लड़की लिखती है तो उसके मन में अपार एक वैविध्य, वेरियस जो अनुभव होते हैं, फैंटेसी होती है, बाकी सब होता है, लेकिन उनको आगे बढ़ना है. अब पहली ही किताब में जब ऐसा हो जाएगा कि नहीं नहीं हम वी आर समथिंग, तो बहुत कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है. इससे उसको आगे बढ़ना है. तो खलील जिब्रान का एक विधान याद आता है, then we left that sea to seek the greater sea. हम छोटे समुद्र से आगे बड़े समुद्र तक पहुंचना है. ऐसा एम रखे आद्या. तुम्हारे साथ हम सभी हैं, और आपके माताजी, पिताजी, बाकी सब भी लोग इतना अच्छा उन्होंने आपका संवर्धन किया है, पालन पोषण किया है. तुम अवश्य आगे बढ़ो. ये हमारा आशीष, ब्लेसिंग, सब कुछ.
Thank you so much, sir. We'll come to Barbara, ma'am. We have Alankrita, ma'am, here. She wants to share something. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Alankrita. I'm studying in class 9th. And on the outset, Adya has always been the younger sister I never had. And looking at her book being published, I am so proud of her. So very proud of her. And whenever we used to meet, we had this exchange of ideas, exchange of stories, exchange of characters. So that used to really, I always knew that she had that flair of writing. She had that spark within her. And I'm so proud of you, Adya, today. I would really like to read this book of yours, and wishing you many more, Adya. Love you. God bless you.
Adya, we are all very proud of you. Keep shining.
Thank you. Was such a beautiful, environment today. That's aura, Adya is a superstar today. Yes, Barbara, ma'am, before we sign out today, last words of motivation to our author and her parents.
Adya, I taught a lot of children your age, and you are so poised, and you have so much to give to the world, and I can see it in your writing. It's just so beautiful, and I hope that you will continue. And I would love to find out more about you. So I will get together with you and Musami, and we will find a way to get you on my blog. And I just feel that more students should see what can happen when you do put your pen to the paper and write. And you just writing for me personally is something that started from love and continues with love, because you know, you have to love writing, and I think you do love writing, and you do have a gift of illustration too. So you have that combination. You could write a children's story. That would be beautiful. You could write another story, I like your idea very much of using your stories and making it a series. I think that your stories, your characters are very interesting. And if you develop them, they will be amazing. So good luck to you. And I hope to be speaking with you soon. And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
thank you.
We have Sujata Paul, ma'am. Yes, last words of motivation to Aradhya, if you are here, ma'am, before we go to Swapna Mehra, ma'am. Is she here? All right, Swapna ma'am, yes, last words of motivation. We'll never say last, actually. We'll keep meeting because I think Adya will keep on writing. I will not let her put down her pen, definitely. That push will always be there from my side. Yes, Swapna ma'am, a few words of motivation before we sign out and before we ask the last question to Adya. Yes, Swapna ma'am.
Long live the creativity of Adya. And I congratulate Mousumi ji also on Griffin's publication. Publishing houses nowadays, they go on printing the books of maybe renowned people. They never search the real gems. And Mousumi ji has tried, has taken a very good step. This is an amazing step from the publishing house. So I must congratulate you. Griffin Publication and the publisher Mousumi ji. I know her personally since years, and I know how she is a hardworking publisher, and she picks up the jewel from the society. So I congratulate you. Also, I congratulate the parents. So nicely you have taken the creativity of a child. Good parenting you have done, and then the best you have given to your child. So I congratulate the parents, auntie, everybody surrounded by the child. So Adya, I would like to see your next book because you are really doing fabulous work, and we are waiting for the second project. Last but not the least, the illustration part also you have taken care of. Some pictures also you have taken, most highly creative. Some the publishing house they have given, but that is also that attempt of yours I appreciate. So you have given 100% effort to your creative child. So that is the best gift that you have given to the society. Today the book is celebrating on the national and international highways of the reader's mind, and you are the bestseller. I congratulate you, everybody. I thank everybody, and my regards to Dr. Vishnu Pandya sir. He is a great motivator. Such a humble person, having so many books, and he is a journalist also. But each time I sit with him, he will his each sentence is like a motivational line. And today Adya is blessed by him, and
Thank
that
you.
is the best part.
Thank you, Sapna.
Yeah, I know, sir. If sir is sitting means, then naturally the mahol goes to some other level. So
Yeah.
to everybody, I thank. And Adya, keep on writing and writing and writing. Long live your creativity. My blessings are with you, and a big hug from Bhubaneswar here.
Okay, Suresh sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Like, you know, before we put the last question to Adya and we wind up our show today, Suresh sir, मेरे पास सवाल नहीं है, आप क्या बोलेंगे आज आद्या को?
Adya, today you are the shining star. So this is your show. And as you have already got the blessings from Vishnu Pandya sir, Swapna Behra ma'am, from Barbara ma'am. And my simple advice to you is keep your head down, but keep your writing high. Today you have really inspired me. My daughter is of 3 years old, and today I'm also thinking to push her in this field. As I'm a teacher, so my simple advice to you, be humble, be cool, and be calm. सक्सेस पा लेना बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होती है, लेकिन सक्सेस को मेंटेन करना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। और मुझे ये उम्मीद है कि आपके पेरेंट्स की गाइडेंस में और मौसमी मैम की गाइडेंस में आप उस सक्सेस को जो है वो मेंटेन करके रखेंगी। दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग, और अभी आपको बहुत लंबा सफर तय करना है। एक छोटी सी कपलेट जो है वो मैं आज आपको डेडिकेट कर रहा हूँ कि कल जब आप मौसमी मैम या स्वप्ना बेहरा मैम या विष्णु पंड्या सर के लेवल पे जब स्टेज पे जाएंगी, तो आपको देख के लोग एक ही बात कहें कि किसी को हो ना सका उसके कद का अंदाजा, कि किसी को हो ना सका उसके कद का अंदाजा, वो आसमां है जो झुक के चला करती है। तो अपनी वैल्यूज को हमेशा हाई रखिएगा और अपने आप को हमेशा डाउन टू अर्थ रखिएगा। So congratulations to you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Adya, the last question. Today, you are a young author, young achiever. How will you motivate the young children, or how will you motivate students, children, to read and write? Because we see this phase, this generation where we call Gen Z and Z, whatever you call Gen Z, we do not find them much into books, much into writing. How will you motivate the young generation toward, reading and writing?
Ma'am, I feel that in order to make the younger children develop an interest in reading, we have to read aloud the stories for them first. And once they develop that interest for reading, they can start writing. Because in order to write one story, they have to read many first.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. My heartfelt gratitude to Padma Shri Vishnu Pandya sir. Sir, आपका पीछा नहीं छोड़ूंगी. Next book launch maybe आपको disturb करूंगी. Swapna ma'am, I know आप बहुत busy रहते हो. Still, I try to pull you sometimes. I know that, like, writing, being an environmentalist, always I see you moving from one institution to another, launching something or in an event. It's very difficult to pull you, but today I'm successful. I pulled you out. And Barbara ma'am, thank you so much. Early morning, again, she's busy in her writing, she's busy in her life, and early morning when she has to wake up and, she shows her face, I get motivated. Thank you so much for taking out time. Ma'am, yes, that's her book. Like, I definitely would love to review this book. And we are very soon starting, reading sessions. I think but after March 20th, we will be starting book reading sessions. I would invite all it's it's not that the book should be by Griffin Publication. It is to motivate every author, each and every author, to motivate all the readers. I would conduct reading sessions where authors can come with their books and we'll do reading sessions. And as we always put our recording shows on the YouTube, and we are also streaming live on social media, people can know about our books, people can read us. So this we are going to start very soon. And thank you so much, Barbara ma'am. And thank you for inviting Adya to your show. I will definitely get you connected, and we'll soon start your show. Show you will. I'll give you that that connection. Adya, I'll make you, because she's not on social media because she's underage, but like, you know, I will get connected somehow.
It's on a blog. It's a blog.
On the blog.
Yeah. On a blog.
So,
on a website. So
yes,
not
so
a problem.
I will just, you know, connect both of you. I will be the medium, all right? And I would love to thank Sujata ma'am also. She's again a busy personality, educationist, and says also she have to look after her family. She's into writing, hosting shows and all. Thank you so much. Suresh Kumar sir, thank you so much. Sir, book analyze, थोड़ा सा review भी लिख दीजिएगा sir, बच्चे को motivation मिल जाएगा. Thank you so much, sir. And my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to Adya's parents, because I have been experiencing their effort, like how they are pushing or motivating. Push was not actually, I will not use that word because it's her passion, but the kind of support, the kind of, you know, motivation they have been giving all throughout the entire publishing process, and also the cooperation with the publishing house. It is very, very important that the author and the author's family actually cooperate with the publishing house. Sometimes we find, you know, we also have authors like, you know, they are restless. कब निकले की book, जल्दी जल्दी निकलना है, जल्दी जल्दी link निकलना है. I always tell all the writers, all the authors, all the budding authors, take time to write your book. Take time to edit your book. Never hurry to publish your book. Publish to ho jayegi. But if there is an error in the book, that actually spoils the reputation. That actually will also, you know, later when you read the book, open the book, अरे ये तो गलती रह गई, मुझे correction कराना है. It is we sometimes republish the books, but not all publishing houses will give you this opportunity. ठीक है, गलती है, हम फिर से print करेंगे. Nobody will take out that time or effort or waste of money, because recently we did that. And we keep on doing sometimes, but we have to be very, very careful, because it is not I always who will publish your book. There are many tomorrow you may feel that I want to go to an international publisher. So no publisher will definitely give you. These are the things which we all should remember. We should never hurry to publish a book. We should take time to read, to edit, to proofread, design, and then let the publisher print the book. All right, and everything like, you know, has a process. The process of printing takes time. The process of generating a link takes time. So I'm actually thankful to Adya and Adya's parents for their patience, for their cooperation. And yes, Amazon bestseller rank, it was effort by us and by your parents too, because we really, you know, wanted the readers to read the book. We promoted it in our way, and your family, actually the entire family helped to make it a best-selling rank and achieve bestseller 1. So heartiest congratulations, Adya, and to her parents. Heartfelt gratitude to all of you again, and all the viewers who are watching us today. And we'll meet you again with another interesting book and with beautiful people, and we'll talk books, literature, and pen. Thank you so much, everyone. So this book is available, all right, on Amazon. Hope you all order and get a copy and read and review. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Our pleasure.
Thank you.